And so this next article kind of is further along what I'm saying here. You need the fandom first. And the fandom comes as a consequence of delivering products that are worth being a fan of. And the Model 3 is that product. Millennials and baby boomers named Tesla Model 3 the most satisfying car. 2 generations that have something in common that you wouldn't expect to have in common at all. The Model 3 spans those boundaries from millennials to boomers. It's according to a new report from Consumer Reports. They found that the Model X was the most satisfying car with members of Gen X and the silent generation. That's those born between 1925 and 45. The silent generation. Imagine being called that. That's heavy.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of stuff happened between 1925 and 45, my dude. Oof.
Yeah.
Bit of a different life than ours, I'll tell you what. Shout out to anybody listening right now that was born in that period. I mean, you'd be up there in age right now, but we got to have one from the silent generation.
Shout out.
The survey asked owners if they'd buy the same model again and then to rate it on the driving experience, comfort, value, styling, and audio controls. So they went in there and ranked the Model 3 at the top. The Model S came second. X was fourth. Audi A5 was up there. I mean, you can see the whole list. The millennials picked the Model 3, a Subaru Ascent, Mazda CX-5, Honda Accord. It's a pretty interesting list, but they all have the Model 3 in common. And I'll speak from personal experience. I don't own a Model 3, but we had the Model 3 in studio. As you recall, you drove it a bit. I drove it a bit. Would you call it a satisfying car?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a very satisfying car.
Yeah, it's great.
It's really satisfying to drive. And it honestly, it's probably the most refined of the various Tesla models. I've been reading some things about the Model Y. It doesn't... I mean, maybe I missed some of the stories about initial quality on the Model 3, but the Model 3 we had, it was just perfect, minty fresh, and it just seems to me to be the most polished of the bunch right now, and the most appealing to the widest variety of people across demographics. We'll see what ends up happening with the Y, but I guess that's good news for the Model 3.